Last Wednesday, I have sent a signal to buy the gold when the gold actually at somewhere right here. And then later on Wednesday night, actually it has been activated right here exactly. This was the level where the trade has been activated. And as you can see, it was a sniper entry with a zero drawdown. And the gold has went straight to the take profit level, making over 460 pips of profit. Again, congratulations for those who have taken this signal and enjoyed the profits. Now, the good thing here is I actually have sent on my Telegram, right here exactly, let me just show it to you, right here. I told my followers that this trade right now is actually running in around 300 pips of profit, and it's actually better to avoid this pullback which happened right here exactly, because I wasn't really sure if the gold will continue the fall or not. That's why I told them to close it right now in 300 pips of profit. That's why I'm telling you, my friends, it's very important to join us right here on Telegram. This is the link right here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. Make sure guys to join this channel to stay connected to Xtreme Trader to receive any updates or notifications about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. So let's now delete the old signal and let's now see what we can do next with the gold. But also before that, I remembered something. I would like my friends to explain something about our other channel, which is right here, Xtreme Premium Gold Signals. This is really important, guys. So actually we have received a few questions about this channel right here. Here we are sending guys up to 5 scalping signals every day on gold. Some followers asked us, what's the difference between this channel and the free signals on YouTube? Well, in YouTube, we send between 1 or 2 signals per week only. And here on this channel, we are sending 5 signals every day. The difference, of course, is that on YouTube, it's a swing trade, meaning aiming around 300 to 400 pips of profit, could be even more, but also could fail. And that's going to be a really big loss. Meanwhile, here, guys, we're sending up to 5 signals, scalping only, aiming around 20 and 40 pips of profit. Allow me, please, to show you the results of our last week signals. Here are the results. As we can see, guys, it was almost 100% in profit. We only had 1 loss right here. Meanwhile, the rest of the signals were a profitable one, and all of them hit the take profit level. Now, of course, we have to understand something. Gold, guys, is moving very fast. That's why we're sending actually a buy limit or a sell limit signals, meaning it has to be a pending order. That's why it's really sometimes hard to catch these signals. And I'm sure some of the members actually making this mistake. When the trade already been activated and hit our take profit level 1, for example, 20 pips, if the trade will go back to the entry, they still going to enter. No, don't do that. Don't re-enter again. If the signal has already been activated and hit the take profit level already, then that's it. You cannot re-enter it again because maybe it will fail and hit the stop loss. So please, in this case, just wait for us to send the next signal and then you can re-enter it again. Also, one more thing. Some members actually complaining about the number of the signals. They think that we are promising 5 signals every day. Guys, we cannot control the gold. For example, on February 11, the gold gave us only 1 setup. So, of course, here I prefer to send 1 or 2, like I would say, secure win, rather than sending you 5 mixed signals of wins and loss. I'm sure no one here wants to receive a lost signal. That's why I'm trying my best to send you the best forex signals possible. And gold, guys, gold last week actually didn't give us a lot of options. I mean, the gold, as you can see, was ranging at the resistance right here. So it was really difficult to send more than 1 or 2 signals per day. So again, it's really, guys, not up to us. We are just following the market and trying to send you the finest signals possible. I know I talk a lot about this channel. Let's now move on to the next analysis and see what we can do next with the gold. So right now, as you can see, this is the weekly chart on the gold. Now, as you can see right now, the gold based on the weekly chart, look at that. I would like to tell you something right here. The last 7 candles, guys, the gold every week was actually closing as a strong bullish candle. Only the last candle right here last week, the gold actually has closed as a weaker candle. Look at that. The gold actually has dropped after reaching 2943. It dropped for around 600 pips. That's a big drop. So again, based on weekly chart, we are looking right now at the weakest candle of the last 2 months. Let's now move to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, we have something interesting. Look at the last 40 candles that we have in this pattern. actually 39, but let's say 40 candles. Now, as you can see, the last candle of daily chart was the only candle that actually has dropped in one day for around 600 pips. The rest of the candles has always been a strong bullish candles. We can see here and there some few red candles, but none of them exceeded the 400 pips. Only the last one right here exceeded 400 pips. So right now I believe that the gold is way overbought, and of course due to the core retail sales news, the gold right now is actually unable to break out from the resistance at 2940. And that tells us that the gold actually has a chance to continue the fall, at least to reach the nearest level of a support at 2853. After that, we can see what we can do next with the gold. So until the gold reach this level, we will look for selling the pair. Let me just now show you something here based on daily chart again. And right now, let's use the magic of trend lines. So right now here, guys, we have, of course, this level of a strong key support trend line. So we all agree that we have here a strong key level of a support trend line. Now, according to the magic of trend lines, what you can do next is simply drag and move the same line that you have just drawn here and simply place right here exactly at the nearest level of a key support trend line. Actually, it can be like this. So right now we can see clearly that the market has previously created, of course, a resistance trend line, then another support trend line, and then we have here another attempt of a resistance trend line, 3 attempts actually of a resistance trend line, which means that the gold is actually respecting this level. Now, look at that. The gold, after this bullish breakout happened and the strong drop happened right here, most likely is going in on its way to retest the same level of the support trend line. And the good thing is, if we apply right now the Fibonacci retracement, check this out. So right now we can see that this level of a support matches with Fibonacci 23.6. So again, there is a high chance that the gold actually will reach 23.6 Fibonacci retracement, even more to actually reach this level of a supported trend line. Therefore, I would recommend to sell the gold until it reaches this level of a supported trend line. And to be honest with you guys, I would like to draw it again here manually without copying. This actually can give us a more accurate entry. Check this out. Yeah, this is actually better. Right here again, the same supported trend line. And as you can see, if the gold will reach this level, it will most likely respect the same level of a supported trend line. So, based on daily chart and weekly chart, we are looking for shorting the gold. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. Now look at that. The 4-hour time frame, guys, is really telling us a lot. On the last few days, as you can see here, the gold, it actually took the gold around 11 candles just to rise for around 540 pips. And then, sorry, this is 4-hour time frame, sorry. The last 12 candles, it took the gold around I would say around like 2 days maybe to rise for around 450 pips, and then in one single day at the closing of Friday it had dropped for around 600 pips. So all this hard work of the bulls actually has been wiped out, which means now we have here a double top pattern, and the gold most likely right now will continue to fall again till it reach this level of a real support at 2845, exactly right here, 2854, sorry. So again, we are looking for another 280 pips of profit. But again, we will not sell right now because we will wait for the gold to make a pullback. Right here now, the gold is actually right now on a support zone. So there is a possibility of a pullback to happen. So where exactly we can start shorting the gold to have the good results? In my opinion, it's going to be a good idea to short the gold exactly right here at this level of a resistance at 2906. And also, if we look carefully right now, let me just now move to the 1 hour time frame. All right, so here on the 1 hour time frame, we can notice clearly that we had also right here a resistance trend line. Check this out. Interesting. Actually, to make it accurate, it's like that. Fantastic. So now we can see that the gold actually has a chance, after making a pullback upon the pressure of the support, to rise again to reach the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward it will continue to fall toward our desired take profit level. But again, we would like to seek the help of Fibonacci to find the accurate level to start shorting. How we can do that? By simply draw the Fibonacci right here from this level of a support all the way right here to the highest level of a resistance. Check this out. Yes, indeed. It's going to be actually at 38.2, which is going to be around 2,906, which matches, of course, with the Fibonacci retracement and the resistance trend line as well. Now, another way to confirm this entry can be used by looking at this level here of a resistance trend line. Let me just show it to you right here exactly. Check this out. Fantastic. So again, here we have a resistance trend line. It became here a supported trend line for once. And look at that. Again, after the bearish breakout happened, again, a small attempt of a support trend line, and again, another breakout. So now the gold is getting weaker. As you can see, not a single attempt of a supported trend line right here is being respected. We have only one attempt of a supported trend line that instantly been broken out from. Again, a support trend line instantly been broken out from. So therefore, we are hoping for the gold to make a pullback, then respect the same level of a resistance trend line, and afterward will continue the fall toward our take profit level. So that being said, let's sell the gold right here at 296, and if that happens, 2906, sorry. If that happens, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 2926, which means our safe zone will be ranging for exactly 190 pips, and take profit level will be around 526 pips of profit. And there goes our signal, my friends, on the gold. Again, I really hope it's gonna work well, and hopefully we will make good profits together. And again, please don't forget to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about the signal. Again, guys, here is the channel, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.